you for watching Lango News channel.
Just like our manifesto that the president launched is very clear, we intend to protect the gains that we have made. And personally, I have made numerous gains in the city, all aspects of development, be it water and sanitation, education, health, wealth creation, all those areas. I have made good gains. I have made a promise to the people of Lira City not only to protect those gains, but to enhance those gains. But above all, based on our manifesto, we intend to ensure that we create wealth to everybody, to the last person in the village, so that they have resources in their pockets. But resources without good health will mean nothing. So we all have to remember that health is paramount. Therefore, in the aspects of health, we are going to advance even more, ensuring that we have both tertiary and primary health care facilities, and also address the social determinants of health, which include water, which include sanitation, which include wealth creation, and which include all aspects of development. So allow me to congratulate my colleagues, Denish Ongora, who is on my right-hand side, who is our candidate for City East, and also Denish Ongora, candidate on my left, who is for City West. I believe strongly in my heart that we shall paint this city yellow, because there is no other party in this country that has a good agenda like the NRM party. And there is no president in this country who can stand up and clearly outline our achievements in the last 40 years, like His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. So we are good to go. The sky is the limit. All others are under our feet.
Lastly, everywhere says Lira City, race for women MP Lira City. It's a serious battle. Do you also feel it? And are you, does it bother you or get scared at some point?
Actually, to the contrary. I think the battle for Lira City is done. Everybody, even the blind, can see that the people of Lira City genuinely love change. Genuinely. I am not buying love. They love me genuinely. I don't go to collect people from Pole or where I have them here. I have been their woman everywhere. I have lived with them peacefully and served them with all my heart to the best of my ability. Whoever's coming to seek a position is wasting time. And like I promised when I picked my nomination forms, with God as my leader, somebody is going to be properly disciplined. Now and forever.
Mara chia helab lao.
Somebody more left now. You don't bet.
Being painted yellow. As you can all see, all our NRM candidates have been duly nominated. The Honorable Minister, Dr. Jane Ruth Cheng, has been duly nominated. Denish Ongora has been duly nominated for the Lira City East. And myself, Denish Ongora, have been duly nominated for the Lira City West parliamentary seat. I want to be clear today that we are on the path to recovery, on the path to a genuine development as we protect the gains achieved from 1986 today. And of course, as our theme for the year declare, we will also be taking a qualitative leap forward. That means the people of Lira City West and Lira City as a whole will begin a new journey into a way that we will develop ourselves. The women will get access to resources that allow them to do market opportunities. We have the healthcare system that will continue to be improved every day. And as we are aware, our health minister comes from the city, will not be able to look back, but will continue to ensure that our healthcare system will going to flourish even much better, with better services coming to our people. And our young people, the youth, will have an access to financial opportunities that allows them to get gainful employment. We're also aware that this government is interested in ensuring the industrialization of our country. And so Lira City will not be left behind. We will lobby government to ensure that our industrial park are able to be established and opportunities for factories and industries are set up so that we have employment opportunities for our people. We're also looking forward in this term to ensure a closer work with the government. We're also aware our President, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, has done a tremendous work, and we will not want to let him down. As people of Lira City, we are going to work tirelessly to ensure that all our flag bearers who have today been duly nominated will be able to gain victory at the final election. And we see this clearly with the kind of people gathered to see this nomination. If we move our street, we'll see our street painted yellow, as we had promised in our primary campaign. And I can believe and I can assure the people of this country, the people of Lira City, that we are going to win this election. And our President, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, is definitely going to get bigger margin of a win like never before. And we know that this time we are walking on a path that will never be the same again. Like the Honorable Minister said, there may be echoes of challenges, echoes of competition, but we can assure the people, our haters, that we have come and we are ready. We are ready to face the opposition, we are ready to clinch on them, we are ready to defeat them, and of course, on the 15th of January, we are going to celebrate this victory, and the NRM in Lira City will celebrate, and the country will celebrate, and the pride of the NRM and the pride of His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
This nomination is a victory not only to me but to us. It's a victory to the party of NRM. We are glad that we have had opportunity to dominate as a family of NRM. And this is a sign that we are working together. And this is a sign that we will win together. Today, we are here to confirm to you that the party NRM will take on the 3 constituencies within the city, because we are service-centered, we are people-centered, and our leadership is as a result of focus on development for the city. I want to say that this nomination today is the beginning of the great things that this city will experience. We have had an opportunity of having a leader in the name of Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng, who has been able to provide the city dwellers with quality health services, quality water and sanitation, quality schools for our children. But she has been lacking a team to play with her for the development of our city. I want to confirm to you that Denish Ongora will be one of those strikers that will defend and provide for the people of Lira City, as well as Eddie Morris will be doing so in Lira City Place. Today's nomination is the beginning of another chapter in the history of Lira City. In the history of Lira City, it's for the first time we're coming as a union of NRM to be nominated. It has not been evident anywhere. I want to say that when we begin our campaign, we are going to campaign in peace, we are going to present issues, we are going to bring people together, and we will unite the people of Lira City through service and through speaking truth to power. I want to say that NRM is the only party that is Catholic in nature. It is universal. You have everybody coming to serve within the NRM party, and within the NRM party, it is the only home where people feel comfortable. I want to assure the people of Lira City is when you vote Denish Ongora, when you vote Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng, when you vote Eddie Morris, you are voting for service and you're voting for quality leadership for God and my country.
Where is your car? Please and go. Go for your immediate run.
Okay.
Where is the other one of Alila baby? Where is the one of Alila? Where is the other country? Where is the one?
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.